Good evening, collective. It's nice to be here tonight. Most of you guys will probably be watching this tomorrow or whenever you get a chance to watch it. I thank you for coming. I thank my new subscribers. I'm thankful for the likes and the comments. If this resonates, like, share, and comment. Okay, so I have three piles of the same deck because it's like hell of them, and I just want to make sure that I get some good messages for you guys. Divine Femme, Divine Masculine. Stay persistent because you are the chosen one. I know it say choosing, but you, okay, you're the chosen one. Somebody that's a teenager could be finding out that they're a chosen one at an early age. Spirit, 3 messages for the collective. I'm going to take those 3 messages for the collective. Please and thank you. What do you have for the collective, Spirit? Please and thank you. I am healing, or I need to heal. Okay, so that could be you. Okay, you could be the energy of needing to heal. You have checkmate. Okay, you might have had like a epiphany or like an aha moment. One more, Spirit. Whoa, that's a lot, Spirit. I'll take the last one out of that one. We have drink water, eat veggies. Okay, so you could be needing to heal, and you could also be needing to detox. At the bottom we have Monday. Okay, that's from deck 1. Maybe someone could be going to the doctor and their doctor is telling you that you need to drink more water and eat veggies. Okay. Yeah, someone could be going into a place of isolation here with the I am, or I need to heal. This person needs to heal from whatever. That could be like poison in their body. Okay, so let's get into the next deck. Clear. 3 cards for the collective. We have a Leo. Okay, you could be a Leo. Collective. The collective spirit, please and thank you. For the collective spirit, please and thank you. This Leo could be healing. But this Leo could be in need of healing. For sure. Spirit, 2 more cards for the collective. Cards I'm gonna take this one, strong-minded. This is gonna be, oh, excuse me. This one was going to be the one, another card, but this could resonate with someone though. I don't want him or her just killing my time. Okay. At the bottom is sneaky tiptoeing. All right, so that's enough in this row. This is funny that I say checkmate bird brain to me. See? Okay, yeah, this Leo could be needing him. Or you could be needing him. Okay, you're very strong-minded. Someone's strong-minded and someone has a bird brain. We're gonna get into that later on a little bit. Maybe someone is saying that somebody has a bird brain. And if they drink more water and eat their fucking veggies, they might become strong-minded, right? All right, Spirit. What's the last 3 messages you have for the collective? We have LGBT group. Okay. So this Leo could be a part of the LGBT group. All right. Shout out to y'all. Maybe this person needs to heal something that has to do with that situation. We got hell no. And we got 10 toes down. Okay, so whatever, I'm not even going to call it a diet, because a diet is just for a while, but you actually want to switch your eating habits and stay 10 toes down. Okay. Oh, excuse me. If you're wondering why I'm whispering, my daughter is asleep. So that's the only time I really get to get some readings in while she's asleep. Okay? So in the middle, automatically, we have checkmate, bird brain, and hell no. You could be talking to somebody that's a fucking bird brain. All right? Like, just straight up. They a fucking bird brain. And that's probably why this person is with them, because they are fucking bird brain. All right, but they could be fucking around with this person while in the time of needing to heal, quote unquote heal. That might be their way of coping or needing to heal. That could be their way, or whatever the case might be. With this Leo being in the middle of I am needing to heal, and with this LGBT group card, this person could be needing to heal from whatever situation, like I said earlier, with this group here. Okay. And then for drink water, eat veggies, strong-minded, 10 toes down, you can overcome this, okay? Because what you're looking for is something that you're going to get. You're going to be hella fucking happy because you worked for it. You worked for it. You ate for it, okay? Especially if you actually like what you're making. Low calories, or that's the main thing. It's a low calorie thing, kind of. Well, for some people, it's a low calorie thing. But you're doing a damn thing, so stay 10 toes down, okay? Let's see, what is this? I am in the hell. Leo LGBT group. Let's see what that is. Hop into some tarot. I have the Hocus Pocus deck, but I haven't really used it. I'm gonna have to use that before Halloween. At the bottom, we have the Fool card. Okay, so this person is a fool for fucking with this broad, or this girl is a fool for dealing with this dude. Spirit, what is this? I am in need to heal Leo LGBT group. What is this Leo LGBT group I am needing to heal? What is this Spirit? LGBT group. Leo, I am needing to heal. Please and thank you, Spirit. What is this? Leo LGBT group. I am needing to heal. I need to heal. Leo LGBT group. I need to heal, Spirit. Let's go charge these up a little bit. Spirit, what is Leo LGBT group? I need to heal. We have the Four of Cups. This person is disconnected. This person feels disconnected. Or you could be feeling disconnected. What is what wanted to pop out was the Justice card. Okay. This person could be seeing the truth or the clarity in something. Okay, we got the King of Cups. This person could be in their King of Cups energy. It says it's emotionally balanced. Compassion, diplomatic, control, balance. Okay. So this person could be trying to balance their emotions. This person is restless. Okay, this person could be bored or paying attention to. What is this King of Cups there? What is this King of Cups there? You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. What is this King of Cups, Spirit? King of Cups, Spirit. What is this King of Cups? This person is wanting to come in after a sudden thought. They could have gained some type of clarity to take some type of action. I'm getting at someone who they're probably someone isn't paying attention to someone that's trying to like do something for them. Like say for instance, if they're both inside the house, someone is trying to give them something and they just so fucking disconnected from the world that they're not even paying attention. And it could be this King of Cups. I just heard it like a fuck it, why not? You know? So this person could be coming towards you maybe, or this person is action oriented. This person wants to take charge because they're studying you, or they're looking at what you got going on. Like I'm getting like they're spaced out. They're spaced out, like in their head, spaced out. I just heard I gotta get to her, or I gotta get to him. Okay. Spirit, what is this checkmate bird brain? Hell no. Checkmate bird brain? Hell no. Okay. The person is handing them something. It could be some type of female. Uh-oh. Just a second. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Spirit, checkmate, bird brain, hell no. Checkmate, bird brain, hell no. Checkmate, bird brain, hell no. What is this? Somebody had some type of epiphany, and they was just like, man, this motherfucker got a bird brain, hell no. Yeah, this is somebody that they was kind of like breadcrumbing. We have the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, this person probably was doing doing more receiving than giving. At the bottom, we have the High Priestess, sacred knowledge, subconsciousness, spirituality, divine feminine. Yeah, so this person having an epiphany about you, divine feminine. I'm getting that they snapped out of this moment, that this person out of this trance, and was like, hell no. You know? Spirit, checkmate. Checkmate, hell no. We have the Empress. Okay, so we have abundance, nurturing. Somebody could have got an not to say that the okay, somebody could have got an Empress pregnant here. Or something of that sort. Or this person, or you could have had this child by this person. So like I said, I think this person definitely had an epiphany about you. We have the Seven of Cups at the bottom. Yeah, so this person was like in an illusion. There was an illusion going on that they couldn't see. Something about a judgment, about a Four of Wands, which is a celebration, a marriage. Okay? But this person is being inspired to come in with balance and harmony, moderation, and patience. This person is to come in being sensible. Okay, we got the Sun card. Definitely could be dealing with a Leo. Okay, there's a rebirth here. You got the Chariot card, yeah. This person wants the Ten of Pentacles with you, or they know that you have the Ten of Pentacles, so they want to move in on you and present to you new beginnings in balance and harmony. Tell you everything that you want. You know, like it's a new phase. But someone could be saying this is a difficult decision. Someone could be weighing out options. And then we got the Seven of Cups. Like, you trying to choose. Like, if this what you want. Like, this person, he or she is presenting all of this shit in front of you. Divine masculine, divine feminine. Like, I'll give you this, give you that, give you this, give you that. What you want to, you know, That's what I got from that. Okay. Because you could be in your Queen of Wands. Or he could be in his Queen of Wands energy. Take it how it resonates. Okay. Yeah, but this Hierophant was doing something sneaky. Okay, let's hop into it a little bit more. Spirit, what is this? Drink water, eat veggies, strong-minded. It's 2 minutes, Spirit. Drink water. Okay, so what I'm getting right now, yes. Discipline yourself, okay? Have boundaries, okay? Because you know, when you go in, it's like a kid being inside of a store, you know, with a bunch of candy, and you can't decide on what to eat, you know, because you see variety. Have set boundaries, okay? Have direct communication. For some others, this Leo is trying to come in and sell y'all a fucking dream, okay? So set your boundaries. All right, be direct with communication. Straight up. Don't even play around with this situation, because as far as I'm concerned, this nigga just got checkmated. Like, this is your baby, right? We got bird brain. I feel like this person felt like they thought you was a bird brain. Like, they felt like this Empress was a bird brain for some of y'all. And then for some of the others, they could have got an Empress pregnant, right? But felt like this Empress was a fucking bird brain. And I feel like this Empress was like, checkmate, motherfucker. And he was like, hell no. That's how I feel with that. Yeah, but this person definitely want to come back to you. But when they come back to you, you doing good. You detoxing, you drinking your water, you eating your veggies. Okay, that's what you need to be dwelling and stepping in, all right? That's your variety. Smoothies and shit. Okay, I'm digging it. Stay 10 toes down. If you're going to the gym, stay 10 toes down. All right, so let's see what's Spirit. Why is this Leo over here feeling disconnected? Why is this Leo here feeling disconnected, Spirit? Spirit, why is this Leo feeling disconnected? Please and thank you. Why is Leo feeling disconnected? Please and thank you. This person could be feeling disconnected because they breadcrumbed you, and you was their actual Empress. But I don't see an Emperor on here, and then we have the Queen of Swords too. But that could still be just one person. Okay, we have the High Priestess, intuition, knowledge, subconscious. This person could be disconnected from their intuition. So I asked, why is this person feeling disconnected? Spirit, why is Leo feeling disconnected? This person could be meditating, and listening to their intuition about coming towards you, gathering their feelings, balancing their feelings. They could be coming in to like emotion. They could be coming in to like emotionally manipulate you. Spirit, what is this? Yeah, they're working on something. They're working on something. Because we have the Eight of Pentacles. They're definitely working on something diligently. They're working on this shit real hard. Whatever it is, a way to come back towards you, they come in. Okay, they could be getting help from whoever they worship or whatever. So, I'm also getting that this person, could be looking into what you're doing and running back to go work. Okay, so they could be copying off of you. Okay, because they want what you got. But they shit is all over the place. They're not as set up as you. They want to be. That's why they're working so diligently. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so, Spirit, why did... I didn't even say why yet. But this person was breadcrumbing this Empress because of old traditions. Yep. Old traditions. This person could be like from back in the day. That's probably how he treated this Empress. That's how he could have treated you, or that's how you could have treated them. Yeah, this person looked at you as an option. This person looked at you like an option. And what I'm getting here is that this person didn't listen to their intuition at one point at a time. And they decided to breadcrumb the Empress and make her seem like an option. This person set up boundaries towards you as well, or you set a boundary towards them. Okay. The Spirit, what is the Seven of Cups and what are the collaborations? Okay. Three of Pentacles, which is collaboration. Okay, you could be learning, you could be building something, you could be building those glutes, you could be building your skills. Okay, we have goals, long-term rewards, right? Okay. You could be working with somebody at the gym or something to give you this, whatever it is that you're looking for, whatever change it is that you're looking for. This detox thing that you got going. Maybe you could be starting a YouTube channel or becoming like a herbalist or something of that nature. Or maybe you should document your journey. Said drinking water and veggies and shit. What is this? What else is going on with this 10 toes down? 10 toes down. Somebody got hella red bottoms. Hella red bottoms for sure. I can see a pair with spikes on them. Spikes. Pointed. Definitely pointed. Black stockings. That resonates, let me know. That might be like your shit that you wear to go to work in your big ass office. What was gonna come out? The 7 of Swords. Whoever this person is trying to collaborate with, you could be sneaky. It could be a king, a queen of wands, or a king of wands that's acting in the Queen of Wands. They could be like a feminine, masculine. Or this could be you. This person wants to collab with you. They see that you're focused. Okay, you're focused. They want to collab with you. But remember, we saw that sneaky card. Maybe they wanted to collab with you for this 10 of Pentacles. Okay, once you set boundaries with this person, it probably got I want to say it probably got a little hot or whatever, but you know, you just standing up for you and yours. This person treated you like an option, and you ain't no motherfucking option. Divine feminine, divine masculine. You are not an option, okay? You the shit. So you gonna let it sit in the toilet or flush it? No. I'm just bullshitting. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, we got 9 of Cups. Yeah. As a matter of fact, this could be you, because this is wish fulfillment. Whatever this 3 of Pentacles is, yes, this person want to try to come in and be sneaky about the situation. Or, you feel me? Some of you guys could be making moves and you might have to be quiet about it. You might have to sneak around, you know, take your shit out of someone's house hella quietly and shit, to where they don't really realize that you're doing it. Okay, because you're going towards your 10 of Pentacles. You got your 10 of Pentacles. You are moving in your motherfucking 10 of Pentacles with this collaboration card. Okay, whatever that you do that you're collaborating in, you finna see money. You finna see money, honey. Straight up. Yeah. Okay, now what's this? Okay, you could be blocking your wish fulfillment. Transforming. Okay. But I just want to pull. Well, I guess that's enough. All right, you guys. Well, good night. Something could have happened on Monday. Late at night. This person could be a blame goat, quiet, shy. This person could love them chicken and collard greens. This person could cheat when they're on their lunch break, all right? So I guess this is going to be a couple of confirmations. We got a liar here. We got sneaky tiptoeing again. We got a fire sign. So definitely could be a Leo, Sag, or what's the other? Pisces? Leo, Sag, Pisces? I think so. Leo, Sag, Pisces. Okay. Yep, fire sign, sneaky toying. We got abort mission, gang stalking. So whoever that's gang stalking you, somebody could be gang stalking you. They're saying abort mission. That's probably what this Four of Cups is. You could be dealing with a liar. This could probably have something to do with a journalist. This person probably like to write in journals. This person could be gifted spiritually, or you're gifted spiritually. This person could be traveling, or you're traveling. I don't want him or her. I just want you. All right, going into one more last deck, collective. Okay, we got Pimpinies. Okay, you be dealing with Aquarius. That's feeling like he be Pimpinies. We got a Sagittarius here. Yep, definitely a fucking. We got Aquarius again. All right, could be dealing with a water sign. We have initials BDWS. We got fake fraudulent friend here. Oh shit, this person left you on red, or you left them on red. This person could be in 2000s, baby. This person is a 9-to-5 job, or has a 9-to-5 job. This person is prideful, or you could be prideful more. Someone does music. So this might relate with you. If it relates, definitely like, share, comment. You know, definitely let's get these likes up or whatever not. I thank you guys for stopping by too as well. Let's see what signs we got. Last time my daughter woke up, I think y'all wasn't able to catch that, but I did. So I'm gonna just put something on here so it won't make too much noise. Okay, spirit signs. Okay. We got Aries, Leo, Taurus. We got Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer. We got Aries again. We got Libra. We got Aquarius. We got Gemini. We got Taurus. And let me see what this last one is. I don't know what that is. Hold on, you guys. And thank you. Okay, you guys, that is a Pisces. That is a Pisces. And then we also have Sag. Okay, so, but we have strong Taurus, strong Aries, strong Pisces. Okay, and strong Leo, for sure. All right, you guys, so have a good night. Sending love, peace, and light. Ashe.